Good afternoon, everybody. 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee 5.7. We're going to do a water pump. Good for you, bad for me. I'm doing it under warranty. We did this water pump 2 weeks short of a year ago. Warranted for a year. Lucky for him. Truth be told, I warranted if it went over a little bit. As long as my supplier backs me up, I back it up. But a little surprise, it is a Gates pump. And it's growling. When I get it a little apart, I'll show you this, but I figure I'll take you along for the ride. Nothing too dramatic, just a water pump. But I'm lonely. Take you guys with me. Trying to get you guys a better angle. It's kind of a tough thing to do here. Unless I can squeeze you between the radiator and the water pump. It's tough to get a good view. Hi! Alright. Water pump. Let's see that. Let's see. Ah! Crazy, right? 1 year. Anyway. Onward and upward. You can take it off later. I feel like taking it off now. It would help if I used the right pliers to get that hose off. Nah, stubborn I am. Stop here a second. The bolts are different sizes. I'm not that smart. I'm not going to put them in a pile. I actually put them into the new pump. If anything, I'll trace it out on the box, punch a couple of holes like a water pump pattern, and put the bolts where they go in the pattern. Because there's like 4 different sizes in here, and I'm sure to get them mixed up. That's why I didn't back them all the way out with the air ratchet. Gives me a second to stop, pull these out by hand, and put them where they belong in the pattern of the new pump. No need to impress anybody, like you can remember where all the bolts go, and then you don't. Then you feel like an idiot like me. Drop that one. Come back. Boy. I know Mike's going to yell at me over a flat rate. If you guys don't know him, of course you know him. Mike hates silicone. And you know what? So do I. I don't remember putting silicone on here. I don't know why I did. It's not something I would normally do. I'm kind of questioning it myself. I don't remember putting silicone on here. I don't know why I would. So, I don't know. I gotta think about that one. So, you guys will beat me up for it. It's alright. That's cool. I just don't remember doing it. There's really no need for it. So, I'm a little perplexed. Perplexed. Mike, if you're not voluntarily watching this, I'll tag you in it so you can beat me up too. I love Mike. So I'll take all his abuse. New gasket, no silicone, comes with the sensor. Whoop, there we go. Install the new plug, And that's about it. Camera's in the way. I'm going to save you the boring part of filling it and purging it, checking for leaks. Pretty generic. I'm going to put my big funnel on there and we'll fill it up, and I'll put that top cover back on. And that's really it. Nothing really crazy, but I guess if this is your truck, then it helps, right? That's a water pump on a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee 5.7. That's all I got for you today right now. I hope you enjoyed it. It's what I got, and I got to do it for free because it's under warranty. So release me, I got something for the channel, share with you guys. Hope everybody's doing well. Thanksgiving's a couple of days away. Hope everybody enjoys the holiday. Remember to be thankful to everything you have to be thankful for. Try not to look at the bad stuff. Try to stay positive. Remember, at some point in your life, you aspire to have at least some of the things you have and to be some of the places you are already. So don't be jealous of where you're not. Be thankful that you got to where you are. All right, that's it. Thank you, everybody. Click subscribe, bell, leave a comment, say hello, tell me how you thought that silicone on the gasket was, I don't know, beat me up for it. It's all good. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day.